Hey folks, welcome to the video. So today I'm in, I think, West Sussex, at a place called Wilderness Woods, and yeah, we're guests of the owner, John Muddy Paws, who's off battening wood over there. He knows the people that run this place, and they've invited us down for a stay. Yeah, it's a bit moist. Oh dear. I think the weather's clearing up tomorrow. We're here for a couple of nights. We just erected a sort of rough tarp just to hunker under, because this rain is not going to let up until probably about midnight. This place, I'll tell you a bit more about it tomorrow, but there's all sorts of really cool shelters in the woods, and I've got my tent inside one. The one I'm in is not finished yet, but we wanted to be right down this end of the woods. We're at sort of the far end, away from the kind of the main area. And yeah, the shelter that's there isn't quite done yet, so it's not fully waterproofed, but fitted my backwards bungalow in there nicely. And the other two boys, John's in a hammock somewhere and Rob's in a tent somewhere. Obviously I'm out with those chaps. It's part of our summer tour. It's really nice here, really chilled. Obviously we're cooking on a fire for the next few days. It's got a bit of dead standing that I've cut. I've made a bit of a fire lay in the bowl that's kind of in each of these sort of camp spots. I'm just taking a walk, see what I can find in the way of sort of pine that'll have some oils in it to catch easy. I don't really know my way around at the moment, so I'm just mooching along, having fun. Tomorrow, when it stopped raining, I'll show you some of the stuff that they got here, some of the shelters and things, and explain a little bit more about it. Nubbin off of the pine tree, because that hopefully will be loaded up with fat wood, and that will really help with the wet weather stuff, full of oils and things, like a homemade fire lighter. There you go, that's what I'm after. Smells great. Perfect. There's a good bit. I'm going to try and just chip some of that off, make it into small bits, and we'll light that. John's battening some bits down, and hopefully we'll be golden. Oh. Went, and then it didn't. Oh, very close. So close. It's blowing now. Oh. Huh. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, it's on the big stuff. Yep. On you go. Yeah, chuck it on. Nice. Oh, that's exhausting. Well done, mate. Yeah, you should have tried just watching me. Alright, here we go. Heat up to the middle at the moment, try and dry those bits off whilst giving maximum oxygen. Maximum oxygen. Oxygen. You can see the fire's buried inside. There's a lot of these bits of wood have sort of wet bits on them. We try to split down what we can. Hello, John.
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm having a lovely
Looking
time.
very serious.
Am I? This is me smiling.
Yes, so this is my shelter, as I say. Have a look all around it, but I've got my backwards bungalow in there because the weatherproofing only goes up to there at the moment, so it's a bit drippy, but it's pretty cool though. So from the back, you can see what it's, you know, when it's done. I think they're finish that layer and then they're doing another couple of layers. It's going to be really thick, but I say work in progress at the moment. It's going to be awesome. I think that's about it for tonight. I think I'm just going to chill. We've got a heavy couple of days doing a lot of walking, so yeah, going to tend to the fire, have a couple of drinks and cook some burgers and stuff. So I'll catch up with you in the morning.
Sleep well?
Morning. Oh dear. Yeah, we've been up for a little while, done some fire prep.
Magic's been ruined.
John's lit the fire and I've used the dunny. I've used the outhouse. I'll show you that later. It is amazing. I felt like I was in a Wild West movie.
Get some smoke going now, that'll keep the bugs away.
The rain has gone.
I can't let stupidity go. That's a...
It rained in the night, but today is going to be a lovely day.
Sorry.
So yeah, going to get breakfast on and then we'll have a little tour about. Get something a bit heavier.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to stand behind you. Well, a bit came off.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at that.
I've lost your splitter. Splitter!
A wedge. I'm a little bit scared.
Where'd it go?
Exactly. Wedged in a tree somewhere. Buried like shrapnel.
In the back of that guy's head. Okay.
That was going to go right through Rob's shin bone.
Ta-da! It worked. Yeah, it's just incredibly dangerous. Just there. Yeah, thing in. Okay.
got here is finely linked.
12 degrees all night.
So how is the other pork product not affected by that?
Smoked. It'll last that a little bit longer. All right, well, we've had a leisurely morning, had a gorgeous breakfast, and we're just going to do a little tour around Wilderness Wood. If I haven't said, it's in East Sussex. For more details, I'll link their website below. It's a really interesting place. And yeah, while we're mooching, we'll have a look at some of the shelters that they've got. These are pretty cool. Right, this is called the bunkhouse, this one. There's people in it, so probably can't go wandering in there. But that's I can only go as far as here. That's an open fronted shelter that looks out over the downs. Very cool. But it's full of kids, so we'll keep the camera away from that. Fair sized place. We're sort of doing a little round trip, and yeah, the shelters are very spread out. You see in there, little log cabin with a wood burner, little veranda.
Yaffle cabin. This is one of the places that you can hire. You can see them on the website. There's a nice little seating area, wicker seating area at the bottom. Steps up into the safari cabin. Bedrooms, bathroom, balcony, wood burning stove. Very, very nice.
There's another one. And these have got, what, electricity and all sorts.
This is our house.
Is it? It's very cool.
Dumbledore cabin.
Oh, the cute stuff.
Yeah, sound.
Look at that communal place with a pizza oven and all. Logs for the log cabins. There's a lovely little community feel. I think that's what this top area strikes me as. I mean, where we are is as far away as you can get from it, but it's nice up here. Lots of families. And this is the bath house. We'll have a little look round this one because there's no one in it. That is very special, isn't it? This is for all campers, I think, to fill up with waters. There's a shower in here and all sorts. Let's go and have a look round, shall we? What have we got in here? I think this is a shower. Look at this privacy screen, very cool. Yeah, there's a shower. That is your view from the shower. That is cool, isn't it? I think we'll come up here, Dan. This is, I think this is a wood-fired water heating system, yeah. I think the instructions on the wall and the stove there. That's cool. Oh, that is cute. So, put yourself in that position, laying in the bath with your view there. That's amazing. Ooh, composting toilets. What's this one? And another shower. Very nice. And the water point. Hot and cold. They work. Oh yeah. Wow, running water, little bench to sit on. That's a structure and a half, that is. Yeah, I'm tempted. As John said, that's there's a sign on it that says it's for all campers. So 2 showers and a bath and a couple of toilets, running water. That's a nice place. So we're going to go and have a look at Holly Hut. Sleeps a family of 4 to 5. Available for year-round hire. That's tucked away, this one. Oh, very nice. So yeah, cooking area, seating area, little kitchen area, and then the hut itself in there. That front panel opens right up. That's inside. Little wood burner in there, little seating area, and obviously there'll be beds upstairs. That's a clever design, really clever. You can see the sort of table is also the staircase up to the little mezzanine level. Nestled in amongst the holly bushes. Very cool. It's the sort of place I'd be tempted to bring my own family to. It may well happen. And look at this one. That's pretty cool, this one. I think this is just a more hang out in the daytime job. An open top, but it's a clever design. Very nice. There's another one. This is another sort of rustic one that's tucked out the way in the corner of the woods. This is called Food Glade Sheltered Fire Circle. So this is for groups that come, I guess kind of school groups or that sort of thing. Not to stay at, but just a place where they can hang out centrally. A cool sort of sheltered fire bowl to sit around, smoke going out the top. As I say, these are not ridiculously close together, all these things. I mean, the top sort of community bit is there's a lot going on up there, but once you get out into the deeper part of the woods, these little shelters and things, they're quite well spaced out. And there's a lot of people here at the moment, but you wouldn't know it where we are. Yeah, I think that's the end of the tour for now. As I say, there's website details down in the video description, but I think this is aimed at families. You know, you've got that sort of community feel, and you know, groups, school groups and things. But it's a really nice place, got a lovely feel to it. It's a great place for little kids to come with parents and all, experience a bit of the outdoors. But, yeah, nice vibe. I think we're gonna chill now, have a cup of tea and just enjoy being in the woods. We've got some nice food to cook later on the fire pit. Obviously you saw it in the rain, but this is where I've been staying. This is a natural shelter, self-supporting, based off of a Vinci bridge. And obviously it's not finished, but yeah, this is going to be the waterproofing, but it needs a full layer on the top, and then it needs to be, you know, a good couple of feet thick to provide real waterproofing. That's an impressive structure. It's all, you know, self-supporting, no string, no nails, no nothing. It's mighty impressive. And yeah, apparently you can walk over the top of it, but I wouldn't be doing that while my tent's in there. We'll have a little look at what we got inside, shall we? And this is a backwards bungalow that I got in there, just to provide the waterproofing. A bit of light on so we can see. And yeah, because we're staying here static for a couple of days, I bought the camp bed. I bought my lovely thick down mat, got a pillow, got a sleeping bag, and that's where I've been staying. It does get a bit buggy, so I've got the bug repellent light, as well as the other light. Yeah, and it's incredibly dark under here. Like I slept this morning till 7:45 maybe, and mostly because the sun didn't wake me up. But you know, I'm under a very dark shelter in a black tent, so it was a lovely place to wake up. That view out of the tent is something else. Yeah, very nice. Thumbnail. And the pièce de résistance, the outhouse. This is it's not nice, but it's so cool. Reminds me of the Wild West. Check that out. There is the dunny in the woods. This is one just for our site. Isn't that cool? Oh, that's fantastic. Composting toilets. Yeah. There's something about it that I love. Right. Gonna light the fire for supper and stuff in about an hour. So I'm gonna go and lay on my bed for a bit and close my eyes. That man in the field will bugger off with his tractor. I think he's cutting hay in the neighbouring field. That's okay, he's got to make a living. Serious.
Where are we going?
We'll go that way.
Same as before?
Yeah.
Getting hot.
Yep. You got it? Let go.
That chicken's probably done there. Shall I sample one?
Okay, it's, I don't know, 6:30 in the forest, and let the meat feast begin. We've got a few bits on there cooking, got a bit of steak to have later, and very nice it is too. I don't know if I've introduced my camping companions on this trip.
Well, I've been here a week.
Look over here.
Well, hello.
This is the wild camper.
Oh, hello. Yeah, 4 days into.
Yeah.
Oh, so I got stung on the tongue.
Got stung by a wasp. There's one in his
It's
beard.
come, so we're eating.
Hey, watch it, don't feed my camera.
Don't feed my camera.
And Mr. Muddy Paws. Hello, John.
Cheers.
Got a new motor.
Soon.
Yeah.
Dolores. Get it off.
Yeah, that's the start of dinner.
Want a chicken?
Oh, hell yeah. We're eating meat for the evening. John's going to dish my bit of chicken up because he's such a lovely fella.
Juicy. That was hot.
Thanks, mate.
No worries.
Oh, it is hot.
It's very nice. Well cooked by Chef John.
Is it some kind of bust? Yes, it's very nice.
Mm.
Right, yeah. When this chicken cools down from being as hot as the centre of the earth, I shall eat it. Oh, I'm tired now, boss. See you later.
Haven't done anything.
I had an afternoon nap.
Fork, because my fingers are covered in tampon.
Oh, good morning. Another terrific night's sleep. It's about 7 o'clock. I've got to say, that combination of this camp bed with the air mattress is just fabulous. This camp bed is made by King Camp, which I got recently. I did a video about it a few weeks back, but it's ideal for this sort of extended camp. It's almost like just being in bed at home. It's lovely. The X-Ped mat fits on it perfectly, and yeah, ever so comfortable. Yeah, last day today. I'm going to get up in a minute, and I might go and see if I can get the hot shower working. I think we've got pancakes and bacon for breakfast, and then it's time to head back into the world. Yeah, it's been a lovely time. Right, I'm getting up.
Some little sticks maybe. That's it. I think we need some sticks on that.
Right, should put the lid on. Let that just burn down. Give it 5 minutes to see if it does anything to the water. So that's a smoky mess, but it goes out the ceiling.
It is a smoky mess, isn't it?
Right,
We're doing our best.
should we shut that drawer now?
Well, it's, I don't know, one instruction says to leave it open.
We've made a steam train.
It says
Holy
5
moly.
minutes after you put the bundle of sticks in, which were there.
Yeah.
Then it says enjoy a 5-minute shower, keep fuel drawer closed when fire is in use. But
Oh no, that's this, isn't it?
oh, it is. Yeah, you see, read the question again and again, Robbie.
So there's a drawer there full of fuel,
Ooh, that's a bit
and obviously
scary.
you can have drippy things. This is your
Safety bucket.
This is your safety bucket.
Hey, look. What's that? That can't be steam.
That's hot water, yeah, steam. Right, yeah, we're hoping this has worked. Otherwise, it's gonna be a cold shower. Cold so far. Oh, it's getting warmer. Hey, excellent. Look at the view. Yeah. Just about time to have a proper wash, and hot water is running out. That's good though, I don't mind that. That's the kind of shower I have at home. I have it hot and then I turn it cold near the end. Woohoo! Result that was. Feeling a bit fresher. And now, hopefully, when I get back, John will be in the process of making coffee and pancakes.
What have you got there, Dan?
Pancake mix, John.
What's for breakfast, Dan?
Pancakes, John. And bacon and maple syrup.
Oh, you're just like Tom Cruise.
Drop it straight in the fire. Ooh. A little bite. That's very good.
Oh, we've got nothing underneath.
Well, I think I'm going to leave it here, this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to these guys for inviting me out. Well done, John, for sorting out the place.
Yeah, good call.
Thank you to Wilderness Wood for their hospitality. Link in the description for details. And that's it. We're going home. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.